Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at sample cue card. Describe a live sports match that you have watched. Cue card is describe a live sports match that you have watched. You have to cover the following cues when you give answer to the examiner. Cues are: what was it? When you watched it, what was it like, and how you felt about it. Sample answer to this question is: sports help in bringing enormous health benefits to individuals. Nowadays, many people like to spend their leisure time watching sports matches either live or on TV. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I watched a live cricket match at Dharamshala. During the last T20 Cricket World Cup, I got the opportunity to attend a cricket match at Dharamshala Stadium, which was between Australia and New Zealand. As I am a die-hard fan of cricket, I really wanted to watch this match live. Luckily, it was a weekend on that particular day. So, my friends and I decided to go to Dharamshala to watch the match. This stadium is located in Kangra Valley, which gives the audience a magnificent view of mountains. Therefore, it was more like a holiday tour for all of us. I have to say, on that day, the stadium was fully packed with spectators, and they were shouting loudly to cheer up their favorite teams. New Zealand won the toss and decided to bat first. The competition was really tough between both teams, as it was a do or die situation for them. However, New Zealand was able to win this match due to its bowling and some wonderful catches by New Zealand players in the last few overs. There were a few moments in the match when I got goosebumps. After the match, everyone was looking happy as New Zealand won this important match and went into the quarterfinals. Then, my friends I did some sightseeing at this place and enjoyed some local cuisines. The next day, we headed back on our journey. Watching this cricket live match was a wonderful experience for all of us. So this was the cue card, and now we will look at the sample follow-ups for this cue card. The very first question is: do you prefer to watch live sports or watch it on TV? Well, I like both. Watching a live sports match gives us a chance to enjoy more because we can cheer up our favorite players with other spectators. But watching a cricket match on television has its own benefits, as one can easily enjoy a match in their comfort zone. Moreover, it is cheaper to watch sports match on TV than watching in stadiums. Next question is: why do people like to watch live sports? I believe people love watching live sports event because they can escape from their daily lives. Nowadays, people are very busy with their work and day-to-day tasks. So, they want to spend their free time with their friends and family by getting entertained. Therefore, they go out and watch such sports matches in stadiums rather than at home on TV. Next question is: what kind of sports do Indian people like to watch? I think citizens of India like watching all sorts of sports matches. Indian people watch cricket, hockey, football, tennis, etc. because they love sports. They prefer to watch sports matches on television as well as in stadiums. I personally like to watch cricket in the stadium whenever I get an opportunity. Next question is, do you think competition is good for students? Certainly. There are a plethora of the benefits for pupils to take part in competitions. Firstly, they get the opportunity to explore their inbuilt qualities, which can assist them in pursuing a career in that field. Secondly, they acquire some life skills like teamwork, leadership skills, and confidence, which can be helpful for their future life. Finally, they become hardworking when they engage in such activities. So, these were the follow ups for Sample Cue Card. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We live on social network also. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you.